Introduction to Subscription Budgeting in Goodbudget.
Are your subscription costs adding up? Goodbudget's envelope system can help you keep them under control. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set practical spending limits for your subscriptions, making it easier to stick to your financial goals and avoid surprise expenses each month.
Creating an envelope for subscriptions.
Start by creating a dedicated envelope. In Goodbudget, go to the Envelopes tab and add a new envelope for subscriptions. Name it something like Monthly Subscriptions. This helps you clearly separate and track recurring expenses like streaming services, magazines, and memberships.
Setting your monthly limit.
Decide your monthly subscription cap. Estimate the total amount you want or can afford to spend on subscriptions each month. Input this figure as your envelope's budget. Be realistic by considering essential versus optional services to avoid overcommitting your finances.
Recording and tracking subscription payments.
Track every subscription payment. Whenever a subscription is charged, record it as an expense against your subscription's envelope. Goodbudget will automatically deduct the amount from your envelope balance, letting you see how much you have left for that category in real time.
Adjusting and reviewing your subscription spending.
Routinely review your envelope. Check your subscriptions envelope regularly, especially before considering new signups. If you're approaching your monthly limit, you'll know to pause or reconsider. Periodically review all subscription expenses and adjust your budget or cancel unused services as needed.
Conclusion. Stay in control with Goodbudget.
With Goodbudget's envelope system, managing subscription expenses is simple and effective. By setting clear limits and monitoring your spending, you can prevent overspending and make more intentional choices about your subscriptions. Stay organized and keep your budget working for you every month.